MI-393 Full Motion TV Wall Mount Installation. The TV mount can be installed into wooden stud walls and concrete or brick walls. For wood stud installation, use a stud finder to locate the studs closest to the area that you want to install the mount. Use the template to mark the 4 holes you will be drilling into. Drill pilot holes into the 4 marks using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Secure the plate to the wall using the provided screws and washers. For concrete or brick wall installation, use the template to mark the 6 holes you will be drilling into. Drill pilot holes into the 6 marks using a 1/2 inch drill bit. Place the provided wall anchors into the holes and secure the plate to the wall using the provided screws and washers. Installing your TV. Remove the front plate from the arm by loosening the 3 screws with the provided wrench. If your TV's VESA pattern is larger than the VESA pattern on the front plate, add the VESA brackets to the front plate by securing it with the provided nuts and bolts. Secure the VESA assembly to the back of your TV and then reattach it to the arm by tightening down the 3 screws. The tilt can be adjusted by loosening the 3 hex bolts located at the end of the arm near the VESA assembly. Run your cables through the cable slot for clean cable management.